What's going on, you guys? It is your boy 345 Hemi Rob coming back at you with another upload. Really quick, I do want to give a special shout out to today's sponsor of the video, Shine Armor. We are going to be getting into them a little bit later, but for right now, I am just going to be washing the car. Still dirty from Flagstaff. That is where today's sponsor honestly comes in clutch. So stick around to see what that is. And yeah, hopefully we pull off some camera magic. And maybe in less than, I don't know, a couple minutes, you guys will see the end product. We begin with Shine Armor's all-purpose interior cleaner with anti-static and sun-blocking agents used on vinyl, leather, and plastic. Shine Armor's all-purpose interior cleaner also guarantees no grease or shiny tacky finishes. After getting a chance to give this product a try, I found myself falling in love with the matte finish aspect of the interior cleaner. I found it to keep the inside of my car cleaner for a lot longer than any other brands out there. The matte finish allows less dust and particles to stick to your interior, giving you that clean, fresh look last longer. As demonstrated in the video, it's extremely user-friendly, meaning anyone can use the products featured on their website at shinearmor.com. Don't forget, this is a sponsored advertisement, so Shine Armor and I did not forget about my supporters. We've decided to give you all a chance to try this product yourself using my discount code HEMIROB for 20% off any purchase on shinearmor.com.